Meron bang kailangan na legislation in support sa mandate ng NGCP in general and as specific details ng mga legislation na kailangan?
In terms of legislation, maganda na naman yung mga batas that are existing. I suppose, konting better implementation na lang. One initiative that NGCP is trying to spearhead is a joint memorandum circular between the DILG and the Department of Energy, which will smoothen the permitting process. So we're hoping that will come out. But in terms of legislation, we do have the EPIRA and other laws already that I think are right now more responsive. It's really on the policy level. Like the Philippine Grid Code has to be updated. There was a later version, I think 2017, but that has not been fully implemented. So we're still using the 2007-2008 version. EO30 issued by the executive was passed in 2017, but we are hoping for a more uniform implementation of that executive order.
As regards the role of LGUs, anong panawagan nyo para sa smooth delivery of your
The LGUs
service?
play a critical role, not just in project implementation, but also as regards maintenance, operations and maintenance. That's why it's very, very important for NGCP to maintain a good relationship with the local governments. On the project level, they will have to process our permits, of course, and they will help us communicate with the communities, especially in the operations and maintenance phase.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Kain po tayo.